Yep, welcome again guys. Welcome back to another video from your girl Kiissi. And today I'm gonna show you how I do jerk pork Jamaican style. So right about now, as you can see, I have some ginger and some pimento berries on my pork. I already washed it with some lemon and vinegar. So I'm gonna show you the different type of season that I'm gonna put on it. So now I'm gonna cut some scotch bonnet pepper on it also. So right now, these are the type of season I'm going to use. I'm going to use some all-purpose season. I'm going to use my jerk marinade. I'm going to use my jerk season. I'm going to put some garlic powder, some minced garlic. I have some ginger powder here. And I have some jerk season here. And in this blender, I have some onions, scallion thyme, and garlic blended inside this blender. So right now I'm going to add my all-purpose season. I think. So now I'm going to add my jerk season, which is powder. I'm going to add my ginger powder. I'm going to put a little of the pimento powder, a dash of garlic powder. Now I'm going to add my jerk marinade sauce. I'm going to put in my jerk season. So I'm going to add one teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, I should say. Because this sauce is very spicy, so I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to put a little of the chopped garlic inside. The season that I blend up with, it's scallion, onion, thyme, and garlic. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna rub the seasoning in. I'm gonna flip it over so the next side can get the seasoning also. Guys, you want to smell this? Oh my god, it smells so good. So good. So I'm going to use a knife and punch it a little so the seasoning can work inside. So now that I finish seasoning, I'm going to leave it to marinate until I'm ready to cook it. So there you go guys, seasoning. So I'm going to leave it to marinate. Here it goes. So now guys, that my meat is already marinated, I put it in a pan. So you want to put it flat down so everything could soak in, like the heat can go straight through it. So right about now, I'm gonna put some Jamaican Red Stripe Beer. You can't do a jerk without not having some Red Stripe Beer in it. If you're a Jamaican, you know what I'm talking about. So right now I'm gonna open my Red Stripe Beer. So here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna pour the beer around the edges. I'm going to just use like half of it. So now that I pour the beer in, I already turned on the stove to 375 degrees. So I'm going to put it in the oven and I'm going to let it jerk in the oven for 2 hours. So within the next hour, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to show you step by step. So right about now, I'm going to cover it with some foil paper. So as you can see, it's in the oven. So it's about 1 hour now, so I take it out. So I'm gonna use my thingy. So I'm gonna take out some of the excess juice in the bottom, and I'm gonna pour it on top. So this is from the beer, guys, and I'm gonna pour the next half inside of it. Look at that juice, guys. Look at that juice. So this is the juice from the beer, guys. I didn't put any water, I didn't put any oil. It looks so nice, and it hasn't finished as it. So I'm gonna throw the next half of the Red Stripe Beer. So now that I pour the next half of the Red Stripe, I'm gonna put it back inside the oven for the next hour. So okay, guys, as you can see, that's the finishing of my jerk pork. Here you go. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna slice it up and let you guys see. Look at that. So I'm slicing it in pieces, small pieces. Look how the knife run through it. My hands are clean, guys. Look at that. Succulent jerk pork. Look at that jerk pork, guys. Look at that. How beautiful it look. Succulent jerk pork. Spicy, and guys, it's well spicy. So I'm gonna garnish it off with some green onions. As you guys, we call it scallion. Here in Canada they call it green onions. So there you go, guys. That's the finished dish of my spicy Jamaican jerk pork. So guys, you can like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and remember, please share this video, and I hope you all enjoyed. From my kitchen to yours. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.